Hello everybody and welcome to CMC Markets Technical Insight Market Commentary. My name is Tamar Mehr from Trade with Precision, and today I want to start with an opportunity that I'm stocking on dollar yen, and the opportunity is on the daily. So let's start with the setup chart, and what we can spot here is that we have this really nice level around the 107. We had previous touches here in the past on the way down. We found that at support on the way up. We broke above it, pulled back, tested from above, and kept on going higher. And now we seem to find it as another, again, support. And what I like about this price action is that we have compressions of price. Every time the markets found this level, we pushed higher. However, the next time we couldn't push as high, and the next time we met that level, we couldn't push as high. So what I'm looking for is a consolidation above that level with small bearish candle, and then a break of this strong level and a continuation of this move, possibly even to the next area over here around the 102. Now I'm looking for the market to consolidate above this level with small candle because I would like to find a nice tight area for my stop loss. Currently, the area for my stop loss will need to be above the swing high. It's a little bit further away. I'd like to see another touch of that level, a small bounce, and then a break. Looking at the momentum indicators, we do have a nice convergence here to the downside, and the moving averages 10, 20, and 50 are all in the correct order for a downtrend. Now let's take a quick look on the weekly chart, and even though it's not the most beautiful downtrend, it is still a downtrend. So we do have a downtrend here on the weekly chart, and we do have the moving averages 10, 20, 50 in a correct order, and we also have convergence on the momentum indicators. Same goes to the monthly chart. We can see that this high is just slightly lower than this high over here. So while the chart is a bit more messy, we are still in a downtrend, and we still have very nice convergence here from the momentum indicators to the downside, as well as the moving averages 10, 20, and 50 all fanning and in the correct order. So my plan for this market is to look for another touch of this level, a small bounce, and then a break through that level and a continuation of this longer term trend. The next market that I want to take a look at is the Dow Jones. And on the Dow Jones, we can see we were in an uptrend and then a massive strong sell-off on the month of March and a good release of that selling pressure. So right now on the weekly chart, we are sitting in the sell zone, that area between the 10 and the 20 moving averages, that equilibrium zone. Now obviously on the monthly as well, we also don't have a trend, just that really strong sell-off and currently a pullback. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, we do have an uptrend, and we know that as higher time frame are pulling back, we do tend to see lower time frame change direction. But what I'm interested in this consolidation that we see over here on the daily chart. We can see that we actually couldn't break the low of this area and mark that level through around the 23,100, 23,000, and you can see we have rejection, 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 rejection. So a lot of buyers coming into the market at this level. We can also see it has been a level of support and resistance in the not so far past. What we also can spot is that we couldn't break higher either, so there is a nice area of consolidation over here. So let's take a look at this area on the 4 hours and get some more information what's going on here. So first of all, let's see this area down below that 23,000 area. We can see every time we came and touched that area, we bounced quite sharply, touch that level, bounce quite sharply. Over here we haven't even gone that low, and a strong bounce up and also a higher high. Now currently we started to drift lower, and another thing that we can spot is that from this swing low we couldn't break and push for another higher high, and actually we came almost 100% of this entire move and broke lower. That is quite a bearish sign to me. And what I'll be looking for around this area is small moves toward this level. I'll be very careful with a big push because we are sitting in a big range, and currently every time we came to that level we pushed higher. So I will look for small trading opportunities on the way down toward that level, a pullback into the sell zone, bearish candle, and a break through it. But what I'm really keeping my eye on is this level over here. And what I like to see is a couple of things: either a compressions of price on top of this level and then a nice momentum breakout of this level, or a strong break and then a pullback to test it from below. Another important element is that this level is also the low of this weekly candle. So I like this area and I'm watching it very, very closely. Happy trading, everyone, and I'll speak to you soon.